Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I thought we would take a little look at the WLTOYS 12429 today. I mentioned it in my previous video that I was thinking about turning this into a crawler. Sort of a hybrid right now between a wannabe crawler and a super slow basher. So I thought that crawling is the right way to go. I've got some nice goodies here. .20-turn motor, as well as a waterproof servo. I took a guess on the size of this servo. I think it's right. We'll make it fit otherwise. And I've heard super good things about this ESC. So I was thinking that we would fit those things into this, give it a lot of torque, and see how it works from there. I'm also contemplating making a body swap. Sure, this is a pretty cool body, considering the price tag. It's a hard body. Got some space to add a driver and some details. But I don't know, maybe it looks cheap. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about it. Otherwise, I've got this Ford F100 body, Pro line, which I should be able to fit with some adjustments and modifications. Maybe cut the rear bed off and just use the front of the body. So again, let me guys know what you think about this in the comments. I think this could look pretty cool if I could make it work, or just use this one since it's super durable and I don't know, I can do some more extreme driving with it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. So this is waterproof. This is waterproof. And I'm going to waterproof the receiver as well. So this is going to be able to handle some water and modding and stuff. The tires feel alright. Grippy, super soft. Might change them out, but we will start off with these and see how it behaves. And yeah, let's get the body off. Okay, so now we got the body off. Quite a few screws, as usual, when it comes to these hard body WLTOYS. At least in my experience. So now we've got a better look at what it looks like in here. The brushed motor, combined ESC here, receiver. So yeah, that's pretty cool. This is just garbage, since the last time I took this out, this went up in smoke. A whole lot of smoke. Unfortunately, I didn't have my camera with me at that time. But yeah, so this is done. I don't know how it is with this, but usually not much to save anyways. So yeah, let's continue. Here we have the new ESC. Let's get it out of the box here. Programming card, which is nice. On-off switch. And the ESC itself, let's see here. Nice. A lot smaller than I expected it to be, actually. Which is nice. Should be an easy fit. Yeah, I like this. HobbyWing makes great stuff. Nice little programming card here as well. shrink wrap. Use a manual zip tie. Stickers. Yeah, so that should be a real easy fit actually. So let's get this old junk out of here and keep on moving. As usual, the screws here that holds down the motor mount is a nightmare to get out. They use ridiculous amounts of Loctite. Same on every WLTOYS I've ever worked on. Super frustrating. But hey, that's 1 out of 4, so only 3 left. Okay, so now the motor mount is off. I had to use some heat. But almost always works. Just have to be a bit careful since the chassis is made of plastic. You don't want to damage it with the heat. So, okay, that was the 4 screws that attach the motor mount to the chassis. Now, all we got left, these usually are super tricky as well, are these 2 right here, as well as the pinion gear. So let's see if we can manage to get those off. Okay, so now we have finally managed to get the old motor out. I had to apply quite a lot of heat, but since I did it right away instead of trying to use blunt force and ruin the screw, it's quite easy. As long as you heat it up properly and then apply all the force, you usually manage to get the screws out all right. You can see here, no damage at all. So yeah, that's usually how I do it. So this is the old ESC, which is garbage. I will probably save the connector, throw the rest of it away. And this is the stock servo, 5-wire. It might be the right size actually, looks like. So that's nice, good news. And yeah, we're on our way. So let's continue. Okay, so we're jumping a little bit here. Servo is fitted, motor is fitted. Could have maybe made the cables a little shorter, but whatever. The ESC sits real nice in there. Servo fitted perfectly. Just gonna attach this to the new servo, and starting to come together real nicely here. Feels like there's incredible throttle control on this new ESC. This is super fun, so let's finish this up. Okay, so we have finally attached the servo. Got it screwed down there. Okay, so the servo is fitted, the ESC is fitted. I will just put the receiver there temporarily. I will waterproof it later. So we got steering, as well as throttle and reverse. Ooh, torquing. So let's put everything together and see if it works. Now we got the lights hooked up to the receiver as well. This is turning out yeah, pretty cool. I'll have to think about where to put the on-off switch though. Now let's fit the body on and see if everything works. Okay, so I managed to fit everything inside the body neatly. Got the on-off switch there. Might put it there. And yeah, I locked the diffs with some silicone earplugs. And servo works fine. Yeah.
I'm super stoked about this. It's going to be super fun to test it out. I'm using the DumboRC transmitter and receiver. Super cool throttle control. And the diffs here puts as much of these silicone earplugs that I could in there. Lock them up properly. See you next time.